Hi everybody, this is graphing linear functions number 5. We're going to start graphing with standard form. So let's talk about what that means. So let's circle the ones that are linear versus not linear. Let's see, did I skip any pages? Nope, good, good. All right, so x and y are both normal, so that is linear. This has x as an exponent, so that's not linear. This one we have x in a denominator, so that is not linear. Let's see, each of these are growing by 2 each there. We're adding 40. Let's see, add 40, then add 20, then add 10. So being this is not growing at the normal rate, this is not linear. So this would kind of, oh, I don't know, look something like that if I had graphed it. Let's see this next one. I'm adding 5 each time. That's fine. I'm adding 100 each time. Yep, those both grow nicely, so that is linear. This is not because it makes a parabola. This is linear because it doesn't. And being I have x squared, that means it's not linear because it's raised to the second power. The x or the y are raised to the second power. Okay, what is standard form? Ta-da! Standard form looks like this, where a, b, and c are normally numbers. If x or y are just by itself, the number would be 1 that's there. But standard form looks like this nice way of doing stuff. Okay, let's see. What is that? Okay, so this one is my y-intercept. And my y-intercept in this case is going to be 0, 3. It's a point. And then this one is my x-intercept, where it crosses the x-axis, which is the point 6, 0. Okay, so we have kind of a fun way that we're going to work with these, and we're going to do something called the cover method. And let's fill this with blue looks like a fun color. All right, so we're literally going to cover things up. So we have to pick which one do we want to cover first. Come on, move. So let's cover up that. So 2 times what number? 2 times what number gives me 12? And that would be 6. So I get 6, 0. So I plot that point there. And then I'm going to move my blue dot on top of this one. So 4 times what number gives me 12? Yeah, it'd be 3. So 0, 3. So once we have both of those in place, we have 2 points, 2 points, connect the dots. So again, the cover method, we just cover up each of the values. And we have to realize that we have x values and y values that can be 0 when we cover up those numbers. Okay? Bring questions to class if you have that. So another cover method. So let's get another circle. And let's fill our circle with, I don't know, orange. Okay. So let's cover up my y value. So 5 times what number gives me 10? That's right. So I'm solving for an x, because remember that's x comma y. And then -2 times what number gives me, so 2 zeros right here. So -2 times what number gives me positive 10? And that would be -5. Again, we'll connect those dots to each other. Okay. All right, so we're going to do all these by using the cover method. Okay, so let's make ourselves a circle, and we'll fill that with purple this time. How's that sound? Okay, so the cover method. 4 times what number gives me 16? -4 times what number gives me positive 16? Yeah, it has to be a -4. And then we're going to go ahead and move our dot over to the y, or to the x. 8 times what number gives me 16? Yeah, that would be 2. So that'd be 0, 2. So connect the 2 points to each other. Okay, let's use my same dot over here. We're going to cover up this one. So x equals 9. Wow, that's automatic. So that gives me 9 comma 0. And we have the 9 in the x spot because I have x exposed up there, right? And we're going to move this here. Negative 3 times what number gives me 9? And that would be negative 3. So 0, negative 3. Because negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Connect the dots, make a straight line. Okay? We can move our dot. Cool. Okay, let's move on. Special cases. Okay. So when you see x equals, this means it has to be a vertical line. X equals is always vertical. Okay, so I'm going to go to 4. I'm going to make myself a vertical line. So a few things about a vertical line. We have a slope that is undefined. X equals a number is a vertical line. That slope is undefined. And it won't cross the x-axis or the y-axis. Okay? Here's another special case, but this is y equals a number. So y equals a number is going to be a horizontal line. So at negative 3, we're going to have our dot, and here's our horizontal line. Okay, the slope of these is equal to 0. Okay, horizontal lines have a 0 slope, and they do cross the y-axis. Okay, and where this would cross the y-axis would be at 0, negative 3. Okay, so take a look at the homework. So this would be, let's see, would it be S or not SLF? It's GLF, number 5. So let's do page, which is page 51 and 52, and we will take a look at the odds. But we'll definitely do some of those in class. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Take care of one another. Bye-bye.